Repotting coffee plants. The soil to be used is a mixture of 4 plant soil, 3 akadama soil, and 3 vermiculite. Change the pot from the current unglazed pot to a larger pot. Now, let's replant the coffee tree. The roots are growing very well. I wish I had repotted it earlier. Don't remove all the old soil. We will lightly loosen the soil around the roots and plant the tree. After that, fill in the gaps with soil. Watering is all that is needed to complete the repotting. I can't wait to grow it big and harvest coffee. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.